Welcome to this BookingKoala tutorial. If you do not have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. Also, if BookingKoala is still too complicated for you to use, we do have our own cleaning business software that's similar to BookingKoala and is much simpler to use. It's called Clean CRM, K-L-E-A-N CRM. And yeah, if you want, you could check that out too. Anyway, back to BookingKoala's tutorial. Okay, thank you.
Today we're diving into how to customize your BookingKoala settings and FAQs. Managing form settings. If you've enabled zip code-based location settings in your form setup despite setting locations to no location in your general settings, follow these steps to manage it. Go to Settings, and then select Industries, followed by the specific industry name you're working with. Click on Settings, and then hover over the Form Settings option. Click on Options, and then select Edit. Locate the query. How would you like the system to manage your locations? Choose No Location from the options provided. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Editing FAQs. You can make edits to your FAQs using the website and theme builder. Here's how. Navigate to Settings. Design Forms and Website. Website Builder and Themes. Customize Theme. Find the Page menu and locate the page that contains your FAQs. Click on the section ID associated with your FAQs to reveal the Edit option. Upon clicking Edit, a side menu will appear, allowing you to add, modify, rearrange, or delete individual FAQs. After making your edits, remember to click the Update Priority button and then save and publish your changes by clicking the Save and Publish button in the main builder to ensure the updated FAQs are visible on the customer-facing site. That's all for today's BookingKoala tutorial. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more BookingKoala tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If BookingKoala is still too complicated to use, too complicated for you, we do have our own cleaning service software. Clean Service CRM is called Clean CRM. It's in our YouTube profile and it's in the link below too. Also, if you have any questions about BookingKoala or our CRM, Clean CRM, just leave it in the comment section below, okay? And we'll get to it. All right.